I'm Maggie's sister. I'm here to share with you guys a Chanel unboxing. And I think this is the first Chanel bag that I've gotten from the boutique in probably about 5 years. But I could not resist it when I saw this bag. And I thought I had missed it because it's a limited edition bag from 22C. But when I happened to go by Saks and asked RSA about it, he said, let me check the system, but I think we're all out. And he said, you've got to be one of the luckiest people I know, because for whatever reason, they have one bag coming into their store and name on to reserve it. So I am so excited. I refrained from opening this back up after I purchased this 2 days ago because Maggie wanted me to do an unboxing and I haven't had a chance to do it. So it's literally been sitting on my counter like this in packaging. Even when my husband wanted me to open it, I said, I can't, I've got to do an unboxing video for Maggie. So he hasn't even seen it, and he had to leave on a business trip, so he's not going to see it until he gets back in about a week. It's got the magnetized box. Oh my gosh. So I was just absolutely thrilled, like jumping up and down in the store like a crazy person when I was able to pick this up. Sorry, it's got the little booklet there. He wrapped it up so beautifully. But it's a mini with a white stripe down the middle. It's a racing stripe. First of all, I don't have a mini. The only kind of classic that I have is a medium large. And they had this left over, not only in the Saks store, but also at Neiman Marcus locally, but only in the medium large. And in fact, on the website, I believe the mini only came with white with a black stripe. And I knew I didn't want that because I didn't want to worry about the white corners. So I was absolutely thrilled that I was able to get my hands on this bag. And I think the Luxonomy had said in a post that a friend of hers had gotten this, but the stripe was crooked. So I was like super nervous until I got to see this exact bag in person. It is absolutely stunning. I knew I didn't want the medium large for a few reasons. One of which is I have a medium large in the black caviar with a chevron, and I carried it probably in the last 5 years, gosh, less than 10 times. And that's because I really am a crossbody girl, and you can't do that with a medium large. I'll insert pictures showing how I look with medium large trying to crossbody it, and it just looks horrible. Like, it sits right under my boob. So the mini is perfect for crossbody, and my essay actually showed me it's really easy to tie a little loose knot with the straps and tuck it inside. So you can change the length. I mean, you can't do it tightly. But basically, you can make this so that it can be like a shoulder bag, or even make the shorter and make it like a hand carry bag. A way to double up the straps. I would never do this personally because I think it could cause damage to the edges. But basically, he said, yeah, some people like double up through the middle. I don't know. I wasn't even paying that close attention. Something like, oh gosh, I'm not remembering correctly, but basically tucking this underneath so that you have a doubled up strap. But I just knew that that would wear along the edges of the flap on top here. And he said it would. So he didn't recommend that particular way of shortening the strap, but he said doing that kind of tuck in was perfectly safe to do and it wouldn't damage the bag. Personally, like I said, I'm a crossbody girl. So I plan to just wear this whenever I do carry it, crossbody. Oh, sorry, this little tab. And it fits perfectly crossbody. He also did warn, because this is lambskin and because the middle stripe is white, that I do have to be careful about color transfer. And he recommended that when I wear this, carry this bag, I wear white clothes and I'm careful. Don't wear things that have heavy dyes in them, like, you know, colored jeans or things like that. But I am absolutely thrilled with this bag, and it matches my car because I have racing stripes on my Lexus. And so I'm so thrilled with this. This is the interior of the bag. Right. So it's a single flap. So there isn't a second flap like the small or the medium large has. And so it's a wide open compartment. This is a newer model, so there's no authenticity card. It just has that little metal serial number, little plate, and the traditional turn lock. and the little slip pocket in the back. And that's it. Right?
So here's the tag. Ooh. And I'll just cut it off.
Yay! This is a try-on of the Chanel Medium Large black with white stripe. I love the modern design, but it doesn't work as a crossbody. It was never designed to. The strap is way too short. It sits way too high. As a shoulder bag, it's perfect in terms of length, but for this modern edgy design, I think it really doesn't work as well as a mini crossbody would. Here it is with the straps doubled up, and it's a little too bulky to sit under my arm at that height. This is a try-on of the Chanel Mini. I absolutely fell in love with this. Maggie is showing you the inside of it, showing you the SKU tag of it. It is so stinking cute, but it is lambskin. This is my first lambskin bag, and I was a little worried about the durability of it. And basically the essay was very no nonsense. He said it's not going to be as durable as like my reissue that could be for everyday use. The mini in lambskin is more for occasional use, special occasions, and the white in particular is susceptible to color transfer. And I said, what about your fanny pack there, your belt bag? And he said, this is calfskin, and it is much more durable. Feel the difference. And I was feeling it, and it did feel more robust than the mini in lambskin, but I couldn't get over how cute this mini was, so I went ahead and got it, and these are some mod shots of me with the bag. I absolutely love my new bag. I'm thrilled with it, and Maggie and I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification if you're interested in more luxury videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.